At dawn, the lagoon becomes a stage. Thousands of pink dancers. Shallow water becomes a mirror. Pink shapes whispering their reflections.
A single stance, patient, still. One leg rooted to the earth, the other lifted like a question. Their curved beaks comb the water trashened. Tiny lives sustain the pink that paints their feathers.
They paint the sky with a ribbon of pink, a pink, fragile silk against the vast blue. They move as choreography written by the wind. Lift, glide, touch, repeat. A ritual played in loops, head flags and claps, promises written in motion.
Gray down becomes pink with time, lessons learned on shaky legs, and endless patience.
Salt and sun test their resolve to know. This pink army thrives where few others can.
As the day folds, they gather, a hush of pink against a closing sky, voices soft as dusk.